Morning, lovely people. Good morning. This is a tale about some fennel that got left over and started to grow again, and two companions in fellowship. One is a lovely ladybird. I hope you can see her. Hello, darling. And one is a snail. Travel companions on the bush of the fennel. What a wonderful little story. And nature teaches us that you can all live together if you respect each other and you look after each other. Let's have a look. There she is. Oh, come on, baby. Come on. Oop. Come on. There you go. It's only got 3-4 little dots, and it's not red, so it's part of the family, ladybird family. But very sweet. There you go. Oh, you want to stay with me now? I'm gonna put you back. If you're gonna go, you're gonna go. Okay, brilliant. And our little boy here, loving his time, chomping away. Bless him.